Welcome to your NN Media Player tutorial. We will show you how to connect your media player and adjust your screen to the proper settings. So let's get started. Components. You will need the following components: an Ethernet cable for internet, an audio cable, a VGA cable or an HDMI cable, a power supply, the media player, and the screen, which needs to have a VGA port. It may also be called an RGB port, an audio port, or if you are using HDMI, an HDMI port. Media player. On the front of the media player is the power button. Most of the ports we will need are on the back. The VGA port, below that is the internet port, and below that is the power port. So let's get started connecting the media player. Connect the VGA cable to the media player. Make sure that it is secure. Connect the other end to the VGA or RGB port on the back of the screen. Connect the audio to the media player. The port is in the front below the power. Connect the other end to the screen. Connect your Ethernet to a port on your router. Connect the other end to the port on the media player. Connect your power connector to the port near the bottom of the media player. And plug the other end into a source that will always have power. The media player should always be on, as it requires updates and maintenance that are done remotely. HDMI. If you are using an HDMI cable, simply connect one end to the media player above the VGA port and the other end to the screen port. Now turn on the media player. A box will appear on the screen titled Signage Player. Next to the server status should be the word Connected in green. Below that, next to Signage Controller, should be the word Running in green. The campaign is now loading. It's time to adjust your screen for the optimal settings. With the remote control, press the Input button. Using the menu that appears on the screen, use the remote control to go to the RGB input. If you are using HDMI, go to the HDMI input. Using the remote control, press the menu button. Go to the Picture menu. Then, Screen Settings. Then, Resolution. And select 1360 by 768. If there is an auto configuration, select it, and yes to set. The campaign should now fit your screen perfectly. Well, that's it. Your campaign is now running and will be a great tool for advertising and promoting your business. If you have any questions or problems, please call us or go to our website at www.yournn.com.